got a little ahead of myself. I took off the grill. Today is the day for these headlights. They look really nice compared to these. Whew. Biggest difference ever. Alright, so didn't want to lose that. Yes, I did. Okay, so all the clips, they're just clips, standard clips like this. Here, all the way around to here, here, which you're gonna need to take off if you're gonna loosen up the bumper. So might as well loosen it up right now. These clips obviously for the grill, and then it'll come right out. I mean, you don't have to take off the grill if you're just gonna loosen the bumper, but I did. You wanna get to these screws right here. They are screws for me. I'm pretty sure I should let go after that. Easiest way to get to those, turn the wheel a little bit, you should be good. Then you got your screws here. You're gonna screw at the bottom of the headlight normally, if they haven't already been replaced, and then a couple over here. So yeah, we'll get to that. So once you take off all the screws on that side, you can break the bumper loose from the top, and you don't really need to take off the bumper for this. All you need to do is get a little bit of space to take that 10mm out. And like I said, if it has a bottom one, the bottom one out as well. Hard to see, can't really tell if it's like the RSX, but I think it does have a bottom one. But yeah, take those off. Okay, so I don't know what I really did to push the bumper more down, but I got it to pull a little bit more. And you can see the screw here, right there. It's in front of this metal bracket, so you can see it right there. It's a 10mm. Get that one off. Tail light should pop off. I mean headlight, tail light, headlight should pop off. Got that headlight off. So the only other thing aside from the screws down here, which I haven't taken off over here, is the last screw underneath this right here. This one, this guy. You get that guy out, which I mean you can take off by hand. This one's not very tight. Take that one off and the headlight should come out. Not easy. It puts up a fight. Headlight puts up a fight. So take off the screw down here. Whole thing would be loose. All you gotta do is wiggle it out of place. Make sure you do not break this plastic though. Try to go underneath, around it, whatever. Do not break this plastic piece off. Your bumper will never align. Yeah. Taking off the old daytime running lights because I'm not gonna need these anymore. They still work, but I'm not gonna need them anymore. So the OEM fog lights are really foggy, but as you guys can see, the turn signal is amber but clear bulbs. So I went to go get amber bulbs because it's a clear lens and I didn't want it to look weird. I do prefer amber. See, it's a clear lens right here. I don't know if that's upside down or not. It's a clear lens, so I went to go get amber lights just so that it works and looks amber. Basically the part number is 7440, and it's pretty much the same for all Honda bulbs, pretty much, except for the tiny ones. But the tiny ones are already amber, and on this one they're amber, so you know it's whatever for those. So yeah, I'm just gonna swap out the bulbs, and that's about the only bulb that I'm switching over. I'm switching over the HIDs, the ballast obviously, and I'm switching it over to the aftermarket one. Then I'm gonna hook up the daytime running light to the tiny amber light, kind of like how I had my strips, my daytime running light strips. So I'm gonna hook it up to the same wire. Got my solder gun ready to go, and that's it. Make sure that every single light is working before you put it back together, because once you put it back together, it's gonna be a nightmare getting all that stuff back out just for one bulb, unless you can fit your hand back there. Pretty sure the HID though, you will not be able to take off and put back on right without getting that fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna check the other one. As you guys can see, the daytime running light over there is still working. Soldering the wires to this guy, so the black to the black, the green to the red. and they're gonna turn on with this little guy right here, which is this little light. So go to the harness. You can see the solder already. I soldered it, and then I'm gonna solder over it. It just makes it easier to solder. If it's already soldered, it'll just meld together and whatever, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna solder that together, and then you guys will see the little light turn on. Turn on the little amber. Got it all soldered and wired up, and now the daytime running light's on. And then when you, oh, the door's closed, that's why I turned off. So that's just the first instrumental. Now I'm gonna turn on the lights. And it's not turning on. It's not on because I didn't plug it in. Okay, I'm smart. Hold on. There we go. Camera looks green, but it's white. I don't get that. I don't get why camera changes things. That's a white. White. Amber. The signal is now amber. So when I turn that on, it's gonna look orange, not clear. Because I think clear would look weird. And then all I need to do is hook up the high beams, check if they work, and this headlight's good to go on. So that. Then high beams over here, gonna turn them on. So high beam, running light, signal, HID, little light, check. This one's good to go on. So now that you got everything checked off, you're gonna want to unplug it again. You know, you should have done this before, but I didn't. So mistakes happen, and I did not take off the bracket, and I did not take off. Well, that's the only thing you need to take off is the bracket, but that's the only thing that holds it on. So I need to take off the bracket, put it on the other bulb. So here's the thingy, and gotta swap it over. Swapped over the ballast, everything else really, and just did not swap over this. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Got a little distracted with everything going on over here, and but I got this one on. Got the screws on. This one, that one, and that one down here, all on. So this side is done. On to the next. Same process. I'm not gonna bother you with showing you everything again. Same thing though. These wires right here. This is the wire that you want to get to. Red and the black. I already have them spliced to these, so just a little bit of an extension, and yeah, then you guys can plug everything in, and remember, before you tighten everything up, test the light, make sure everything works, high beam, signal, everything, then go to the next. It's better to complete one than to do one side. It's better to do one side at a time. That way you don't get confused. That way you don't mess up and lose something, or did I connect this? Did I connect that? That way you have everything. So yeah, swapped over the ballast and everything. So on to the next. Little walk around before I fully connect everything. Got the high beams on, little light on, HIDs on, signals, high beams, running light. Both on, both working. Gonna put it all together, have a completely different car. Look at what I got originally to what it has now. That's just, well, I broke a tab, which is not good because I did want to sell these. Luckily, it's the tab that doesn't matter that much. But, you know, you don't have to tell anybody. I'll just kind of toss it to the side. I think I actually have another headlight. But this is what I wanted to do. Old. New. Finally done. I just need to put the little plastic back on, but they do look nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna go back. I still gotta put the bumper on. Also, haven't done the screws. Woo. Still look weird on camera, but they're red. These, ooh, even in the day, they're pretty bright. So yeah, that's it for the install. I'm just gonna button up the bumper, and I'll be done. I will be done. But wow, that is insane how much of a difference it made. Going from these to those, crazy. Alright, thank you guys for watching again. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for liking the videos. Like, share, subscribe. Do it all. I'll be happy to make more videos. Happy to keep doing stuff to the car, showing you guys a little bit of what I can. Yeah. Not bad at all. Want a fun walk around at night. There.